Package has arrived. Let's open it up, see what's inside. We have a package of LEDs. Color white. And in this package is probably the same thing. And it is. And we have warm white. So we have a white and a warm white. So these are 3mm LEDs, 3.0 to 3.2 volts. Same thing with the warm white. So let's take a look at these on the eBay listing. So now we'll take a look at the eBay listing here. These are the source of the 3mm flat top water clear warm white wide angle LED diodes USA. And the seller here is that kind right there. So he has these at $7.86 for a pack of 100, which is considerably cheaper than buying replacement LED lamps from Balsam Hill. And it's free standard shipping, and the item is located in Walnut, California. So I bought the warm white and the cool white from this seller, and here's all the remaining information. So now we'll go back to showing you how to replace them. So what I bought these for is for my Balsam Hill 7-foot Saratoga tree. So a couple of years ago I had a plethora of them going out, and I used up all my spares. So I was kind of running around like a chicken with its head cut off, looking for something that I can use to keep the tree lit for the remainder of the year. So I was just like grabbing anything that I could throw in it, anything that was a 3-volt LED. So we'll hook these up to a battery, and these are a flat top, and they're kind of a white, but they got that little bit of a blue hue to them too. So that's kind of like the similar ones that I got now that are a round top water clear. So we'll take a look at the warm white, because that's what the tree has now. They call it a candle color. So that's pretty much a warm white. And we'll see what this one looks like. Yeah, that almost looks like a perfect match. So these 3mm LEDs in warm white, they just recently started trickling down, because when I was looking for replacements several years ago, there was no warm white LEDs in the 3mm size that could be had. And the 3mm is the only one that will fit inside the Balsam Hill socket holders and the glass envelope. So let me grab one. So this was the package that I got, which is the essentially the round top clear. So it's pretty much like the same color as this one, but it's instead of a round top, this one is a flat top. So it'll probably look better inside a glass envelope. It might actually fill the light pattern since it's a wider angle. But that's the difference between the two. That cold white and a warm white, and then the LED I was using to just keep the thing running. So that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So what I was doing is that I think this is pretty much a standard base that you can pretty much steal on any inexpensive set that has a lamp lock. So with the Balsam Hill LEDs, it looks like a traditional lamp, incandescent lamp, and it looks pretty much what it is when it's lit. So after so many years, I was replacing them because they were burning out, and the problem with that is once they start burning out, the voltage for the rest of the set starts going up. So it came to a point where it was so catastrophic of these things going out in sequence that it was just blowing them just as fast as I could replace them. So there was pretty much one set on the bottom of the tree that was just completely converted over to all LED cold white. And so the tree looks, it's a mismatch of warm white and the cold white, so it looks like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. So what I discovered with these is that you can fix these things. So if you want to go ahead and do it, so be it. But the replacements from Balsam Hill are quite expensive, and I would assume that since it's a Balsam Hill, that these green socket bases might be a little specialty. So I just opt to fix them. So what I do to fix them is that this glass envelope does come off. It's only a friction fit. And sometimes they are stuck on, and if they are stuck on, sometimes you might have to twist them a little bit to free them up. And then they usually should, come right off, but sometimes they don't, and sometimes they'll shatter in your fingers. So beware of the broken glass. And then the element will come right out of them. So all you have to do is just unfold the leads and pull the element right out of the socket, such as so. And on some of them, if you can salvage it, there's a little spacer on the old bulb lamp. You can pull that off and save that, because that'll space the LED in the lamp holder here. So what you'll do is you get a new LED out and put the spacer on the legs all the way up to the the base of the LED. So LEDs are polarity sensitive. So on LED, a brand new one like this, the long leg is your positive. And what you want to do is you want to line that up with the lamp lock side of the holder. So you'll have your spacer on your LED, and then your long leg facing the lamp block, and just insert it all the way in. And with the spacer, you'll be able to go only so far. I've lost this one, or it didn't come off, or it broke for whatever reasons, because that will happen. Sometimes you'll pull them off and you'll lose them, or you'll drop them, or they'll just shatter or break, because they're only like a little soft plastic like silicone, and sometimes it won't survive. So what I usually do is, it's kind of like prorate it, and then what I'll do is just I'll bend the leads over, like such, and then same thing for this side, and then you'll need a good set of little nippers, and just cut it right at the base. Like such. And then you go ahead and you'll put the glass envelope back on. And if the friction fit is not good enough, you can just get like a little drop of crazy glue and glue the glass envelope back on. And then you can plug it back into your light set, and it'll be just like brand new. So for now, for demo purposes, I'm going to bend the leads back out. And you also want to be careful with these leads, because they could be quite sharp. And then when you got them back into the lamp, and that's what it'll look like. It'll look brand new. You will never notice. So with the spacer, the LED would be a little higher in the envelope, but other than that, it's a functional lamp again. So that's that for that. How to fix your Balsam Hill indoor trees with the removable lamps that are that style. So that's it for this video. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.